Tacban Elementary School is number 11. We are all here now and ready to set up at any given time. We're just waiting for the instruments to come. So, thank you. Thank you, guys. It's 1:50 and the drums are now starting to warm up.